Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy RCMrtnz, and welcome to another episode here on my channel. Welcome to this LA series thing because, I mean, we're doing pretty badass. We only have today and tomorrow, and then we're off back to Toronto. But I wanted to say good morning because it's still good morning. It's 11:18 right now. Today was the first day that we actually just chilled in the morning. Well, the boys went out, but we're lazy for the first little bit of the morning because the last few days we were waking up at 7:30, 8 to take advantage of the day. The plan for today is we're on our way to go to our family's house to see if we do something with them. If not, we're heading to Santa Monica because this guy needs to go and check out. There probably won't be girls in bikinis, bro, but
it's all good, you know? I like girls in hair tied, no makeup, hoodies on.
But if you guys check to see, it's not looking too great here. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's kind of spitting. It is about like about 17 outside.
12 seconds later.
Baila, 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 baila.
Se va a poner un corridazo.
He's happy.
Alex, I know you were afraid of fucking birds, bro.
Yeah, they were biting though.
Alright guys, so as you already saw, we were here at Cheesecake Factory, but the wait was 45 minutes. We waited for what, like 20?
Yeah, and we're hungry.
And we're hungry.
There's another place.
Uh-huh.
Per person, you guys gonna be paying like 22 bucks. It's all you can eat. You can eat steak, shrimp. It's Asian.
I just done.
Also, we're doing buffet, bro.
What's up, everybody? You know us chubby boys like buffets, so whatever's cheaper and better, that's what we gotta go for, you know what I'm saying?
Here with the whole family. It's gonna be a family day today because we're gonna have barbecue later on. So what happened to Langosta?
We went bankrupt after 3 games because our coach slash owner Renee Parada didn't want to keep paying.
I'm not feeling Neymar. I want to see Neymar right now, yo.
So
that was over.
all we have are memories.
Yeah. Lil G, why did Neymar quit?
The chef?
Yeah.
Because of 2 of my brother-in-laws, because they moved his tip jar. And ever since he left, like, the food has not been the same. So, and he looked identical to Neymar too.
Wow. Well, I mean, at least we've seen him before, so it's okay.
I seen Neymar.
Yeah, we saw him one time.
You seen him?
Yeah, we
Didn't he
came.
look like him?
Yeah, I
like
think he did.
identical to
No,
him.
he didn't.
Yes, he did.
A few moments later.
No es que decimos que ahí se van a...
What's going on, you guys? So we finished with the Chinese restaurant. I believe it was called Tropical Buffet. We originally went to Cheesecake, but it was like a 45-minute wait.
Why are you recording anything you should not?
I mean, Double flush it, dog. It was a 45-minute wait. We waited for about 20 minutes and the primos just started asking we should go here, we should go there. We decided to come back to the house because, you know, we needed to feed the toilet. So it's 4 o'clock right now. We were supposed to have a barbecue sometime around this time, but Jenny we still haven't seen because she's been crazy busy. So she's supposed to arrive around 6:30 from her trip. So hopefully the barbecue's around that time. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the series, this Los Angeles vlog series. We will catch up with you guys in a bit. So before it gets any later, I need to get Alberto. Alberto, get over here. Dominican word of the day. Dámelo. We're here to see the Padrino play.
Oh shit, that's a film. Oh shit, you're moving the truth. Oh.
He got saved.
I got one already.
Yeah? You ready? Dominican word of the day.
The Dominican word of the day is "Estás feo para la foto."
¿Está qué?
Estás feo para la foto.
I'm gonna have to say that it's like the opposite of what you're saying. If I would have taken the literal, I'm too ugly for the photo. Maybe it's a thing that you guys say that you guys are ready for the photo.
No.
I don't know.
This is a tricky one. So, let's say your mom sees you in bed, not doing anything, not doing nothing with your life. She goes, "Tu estás feo para la foto." Meaning,
Oh shit. Okay.
yo, you gotta get ready for life. Like you don't look good. You don't look prepared for life. You know, our parents are not gonna be here forever. You know what I'm saying? So they'll be like, "Tu estás feo para la foto." You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, you don't look ready, man. Ponte las pilas. That's the phrase. That's the phrase.
Oh shit, I missed it. Oh shit.
Oh, we missed it.
Oh shit, I missed it. Well, there you have it, guys. Tú estás feo para la foto.
Tu estás feo para la foto.
Ay, ay.
All right, that's my padrino right there. Number 22. You hear that cumbia in the background, guys? That's how they do it up in here.
How salvi are you? How salvi are you? What is the traditional Salvadoran breakfast? Yo, stop thinking about it. You gotta be on the spot, bro.
Plátano, frijoles, queso, crema, eggs.
Good job. It took too long though.
Yo, how salty are you?
What does
You just killed the question.
how salvi are you?
To be honest, not that salty. But
Not that salvi? That's fine. That's all we need. What does the hat symbolize?
the what?
The hat on the Salvadoran flag.
There's a hat?
Oh. There you have
Come on,
it.
bro.
There you have
There's
it.
a hat?
How salvi are you? That's your question. That's your answer.
Later.
How much is buying? Oh, snap.
$10.
Yeah, exactly.
I didn't know my hot.
I was right here. The first shot I took you.
No, you didn't. My mom said, my dad said que no.
Ah, pues. ¿Dónde estamos esperando? No, es que está. Ya. ¿You know where tomorrow?
No, I don't.
Aquí está.
That's her.
Hey, dame la cerveza, Erika, voy a. Ahí está,
Where are they?
la famosa está en the fridge.